Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by matching ports and powering both displays so the hardware talk can begin. Once done, plug the correct cable into the PC and the second monitor. Make sure the monitor input matches the cable. You open Display Settings and click Detect. This forces Windows to find the new screen. If it doesn't appear, reseat cables and try the port on the computer again. This ensures physical connection is solid before moving into arrangement and scaling adjustments. Once detected, you arrange monitors to match their physical placement by dragging the screens in Display Settings so the cursor flows naturally. Next, set resolution and scale to the recommended values for readability. This prevents tiny text or stretched windows. Choose Extend for extra workspace or Duplicate to mirror content, then drag a window across to confirm. If text or UI elements look off, switch orientation or tweak scale until everything looks balanced and comfortable for long use. You finalize by saving the layout and, if available, creating a display profile in the GPU control panel to recall settings quickly. Then fine-tune brightness, color, and refresh rate to reduce eye strain and keep motion smooth. If the monitor flickers, shows no signal, or changes resolution unexpectedly, swap the cable first, then update GPU drivers and monitor firmware. Those fixes resolve most problems. If trouble persists, test the monitor on another machine to isolate whether the screen or the PC is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.